Assalamu alaikum and adab, dear viewers. This is AI, and you're watching Asian Times Meta ATM updates. Let's take a look at today's top stories and latest updates. High-level meeting on dangerous buildings in Sindh, immediate action ordered. Karachi, staff reporter. A high-level meeting chaired by Sindh Minister for Local Government, Saeed Ghani, was held regarding the province-wide issue of dilapidated and dangerous buildings. The meeting reviewed 588 hazardous and 59 extremely dangerous structures across Karachi and other parts of Sindh. The session was attended by the Additional Chief Secretary Local Government, Karachi Mayor Murtaza Wahab, Commissioner Karachi, DG SBCA, representatives from Abad, Pakistan Engineering Council, Pakistan Council of Architects, and other relevant bodies. Commissioner Karachi briefed the committee, stating that 29 out of the 59 extremely dangerous buildings have already been evacuated and data of the residents has been compiled. Efforts are underway to vacate the remaining buildings. Saeed Ghani directed that a fresh survey be conducted amid reports that some buildings may have been wrongly classified as dangerous. He ordered that the new survey be completed promptly and the report presented in the committee's next meeting. He further announced that the Sindh government will provide 3 months' rent to the residents of the 29 vacated buildings in the first phase. The committee will also present recommendations for tenants with leasehold or ownership rights regarding compensation and other relief measures. The minister affirmed that the government is seriously committed to finding a transparent and lasting solution to this long-standing issue. Based on recommendations from both public and private sector stakeholders, the committee will formulate short and long-term policies for affected residents. That's all for now. For more news and updates, keep watching Asian Times Meta ATM. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.